Today I am reviewing the Sony WH-1000XM5 premium noise-canceling headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are a true benchmark in wireless audio, combining premium noise cancellation, superior sound quality, and intelligent features into one sleek, comfortable design. From the moment you put them on, you notice how effortlessly they block the world out, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in music, podcasts, or calls. The advanced noise cancellation technology is powered by two processors controlling 8 microphones, adapting dynamically to your environment. Whether you're on a busy street, commuting on public transport, or working in a noisy office, these headphones ensure that external distractions fade away, leaving only crystal-clear audio for your ears. Beyond their noise-canceling capabilities, the Sony WH-1000XM5 also excels at hands-free communication. With 4 beamforming microphones and advanced audio signal processing, your voice comes through clearly even in noisy environments. This makes these over-ear headphones perfect for professionals, students, or anyone who relies on calls throughout the day. Whether you're taking important conference calls or chatting with friends, the call quality is exceptional and reliable. Battery life is another standout feature of the WH-1000XM5. You get up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge, meaning you can rely on these headphones for long workdays, travel, or extended listening sessions. And if you ever need a quick boost, the fast charging feature provides 3 hours of playback with just a 3-minute charge. This ensures that you're never left without your music or calls, making it perfect for those constantly on the go. Comfort and style are seamlessly combined in the WH-1000XM5. The lightweight design, soft fit leather, and well-padded ear cups allow for hours of listening without discomfort. Even after long workdays or marathon listening sessions, you'll hardly notice you're wearing them. The headphones are not only functional, but also elegant, with a minimalist black design that looks premium in any setting. The intuitive touch controls further enhance the experience. With a simple swipe or tap, you can play, pause, skip tracks, adjust volume, activate your voice assistant, and answer calls. This makes interacting with your music and your device seamless, eliminating the need to fumble with your phone or remote controls. Integration with Alexa voice control adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to manage your day, play music, or check information hands-free. Sound quality is where the Sony WH-1000XM5 truly shines. Every track comes through rich, balanced, and detailed. The headphones deliver deep, punchy bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, making them ideal for all genres of music. Whether you enjoy classical compositions, high-energy pop, cinematic soundtracks, or immersive podcasts, these headphones reproduce every nuance faithfully, bringing your audio experience to life. In conclusion, the Sony WH-1000XM5 premium noise-canceling headphones are a perfect blend of intelligent noise cancellation, long-lasting battery, hands-free functionality, superior sound quality, and luxurious comfort. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a professional who takes calls on the go, or a music enthusiast who demands the best audio experience, these headphones provide unmatched performance and convenience. With their stylish design, advanced touch controls, Alexa integration, and powerful 30-hour battery life, the WH-1000XM5 remains one of the most versatile and high-performing headphones on the market, delivering premium sound and comfort wherever life takes you.